In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana, the simple way. We all know that when working in Asana, keeping your task list clutter-free is crucial for maintaining focus and efficiency. So let's dive right into the process of streamlining your view by hiding those completed tasks and keeping only the active, relevant work right in front of you. First off, we start by going to either your project view or the My Tasks section in Asana. This is where you'll typically see your tasks listed, including the ones you've already completed. It's important to ensure you're in the right area because the filtering options we'll be using are available in both of these views, but can slightly differ depending on where you are. Look around and confirm you're able to see the tasks you need to manage. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Asana interface. Here you'll find the Filter or View menu. This area contains a host of options that allow you to customize how your tasks are displayed, which is incredibly useful for refining your workflow view based on different criteria. Click on this menu to reveal different settings. Among these settings, find the one labeled Completion Status or Show Completed Tasks. This setting is a crucial part of our task today because it gives you the control over which tasks you wish to see at any given time. By specifying your preference here, you can essentially filter the view to include or exclude completed tasks based on your need. Now, after you've identified the right setting, you want to ensure you select the option that says Incomplete Tasks Only. Doing this instructs Asana to hide all the tasks that have already been marked as completed. Instantly, you'll notice that your list view refreshes, and those completed tasks disappear from your immediate workspace. This creates a much cleaner and focused environment for you to tackle your ongoing projects without unnecessary distraction. By following these steps, you've now successfully configured your Asana view to show only incomplete tasks, which will help you concentrate better on the work that needs your immediate attention. Implementing this simple tweak can dramatically enhance your productivity because it simplifies your workspace, cutting out all the visual noise. And that's it. If used consistently, this handy feature in Asana can become an integral part of how you manage your tasks, ensuring you only spend time on things that matter most. Remember, keeping a tidy workspace is just as important digitally as it is physically, and tools like these can help you achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your Asana workflow.